Mastering the art of polite requests. Is it possible? Practice exercises. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. We're continuing with our series on conversational English today, focusing on polite expressions for making requests using "Is it possible?" To fully comprehend and integrate this expression into your everyday English, we'll delve into some interactive listening and comprehension exercises. Ready to enhance your English conversational skills? Let's dive in. Before we start the exercises, let's quickly recap what we have learned so far. The phrase, "Is it possible?" is used when we want to make a polite request. It's a great way to ask someone to do something without sounding demanding or rude. You can use it in both formal and informal situations. Here are a couple of examples. 1. Is it possible to get an extra pillow, please? 2. Is it possible to finish the project by Friday? Remember, the intonation can affect the message conveyed. More on this as we progress. In this section, you'll listen to a series of conversations. Each one includes an example of using "Is it possible?" to make a request. Listen carefully to how the phrase is used in context. Here are the scenarios. 1. Two colleagues discussing a deadline. 2. A guest and a hotel receptionist discussing room amenities. 3. A student asking a professor about assignment extension. Note: listen for the tone and context in which "is it possible" is used. Now that you've listened to the scenarios, let's test your understanding with some comprehension questions. 1. In the first scenario, what request is being made using "Is it possible?" 2. How does the hotel receptionist respond to the guest's request in the second scenario? 3. In the third scenario, how does the professor react to the student's request? Try to answer these questions. It will help reinforce what you've learned. For our final exercise, we'll do some role-playing. Choose a partner and use the scenarios we discussed earlier. One of you will make a request using "Is it possible?" and the other one will respond. You can also create your own scenarios. This will help you practice using the phrase in a real-life context. That's it for today's video on using "Is it possible?" in polite requests. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use this phrase in your conversations, the more natural it will feel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language learning videos. Keep practicing and you'll master the art of polite requests in no time.